students, today I am going to give little bit revision of your Python Panda programs. That means Python programs. Now in these Python functions, what we have, see here that in this particular scenario, what is a function first? A function is a group of a statement within a program that perform a specific task, usually one task of a large program. That function can be executed in order to perform overall program task known as divide and conquer approach. That means what is it? It is a group of the statements. That means what the program we are writing in a Python, that is a group of statement. Now this group of statement, what we need to do, we have to perform the task that has been given to it. Suppose it asks to add the values, okay, add the two numbers, or it asks that the person who has get the first, second, third, fourth, or what is the grade of a person, or it asks you to do the calculation that the given number is great integer number, or it is not integer number, or it is a positive number or negative number. So all these things, what we find that in the Python we have to do the work. Now how to do? It is a large combination of the programs. As I have shown you different programs, those the programs, what it is a large combination of the programs, and those the large combination of the programs are to be done. Now in a function definition, what is a function definition? Function is a named sequence of a statement. What is a function? Function is a named sequence of a statement that perform a computation. That means the work that to be computation means calculations. Now here what the calculation it will do, the calculation, the work it will do is to do the different programs, different pattern of programs. So it contains what the line of codes we are giving, that if a greater than equals to 0, this type of thing we are giving in the program. Then print what it is a positive number, else it is a negative number. If as I have shown you also earlier, so this is the thing what we are doing. We are giving some codes, and sequentially from top to the bottom the Python will going to interpret it. That means Python is an interpreter based program, okay. So it from the top to bottom it will going to interpret the program. So most of the important built up blocks software is a Python, okay. So what are the types are there? We find there are basically three types. One is module, was in built-in, one is user defined. Modules means what is already defined there. Built-in means what you are creating partially and what has been created by some other person. And user defined means the program you are creating and it is asking you to give you some information or instruction, then it will going to work. So modules, let us say what is a modules. There are the different type of modules are available. Modules of the file contain the Python definition, that means functions. We have a different type of functions like math functions, okay. Math functions, we have the other different form of functions than pyplot function, math function, so pi function. So different type of plotting functions, so different pattern of functions are data frame functions, different pattern of functions are there. We are what we will going to use in the forthcoming sessions of your class. So standard library of the Python is executed in a module. So Python has got one library, so that library will be executed in the module within the code that has been defined to us, okay. That will going to define, that means is the module in a program need to import the module. We are importing, like import panda as pd, import numpy as np. So this way we are importing the thing, okay. So how to import? There are the many way to import the modules in your program. One of the way is import. One we are writing import, another we are writing from. I have shown you import and from so import. What is an import? The simplest and the most common way that it is been used the module to our code. The syntax is what? Import, then module name, then the module name. Example, suppose import